Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to check follow request sent on Instagram. So first of all, open Instagram account. Click on the profile icon. Tap on the three line. Settings and privacy. Click on the account center. Tap on here. Download your information. Now select a followers and following. Click on next. Submit request. And then now you can waiting to some time. After that, download information, then you can easily check your follower list. Hope you are enjoy this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more video.